Hello and welcome back to another project. Here I have some double wall acrylic cups that I have drilled some holes in with the hotfix gun. Let me just turn this on because I have one more that I want to show you. As you can see, I drilled a hole here and there. And my purpose today is to do a rhinestone double wall tumbler, and I'm going to put a label on it and everything, and UV resin up at the top of it to close it up, along with a piece of scotch tape. But this first part I wanted to show you is how I'm actually going to drill this hole in. So again, I've already done these two, and I want to do this pink one here. Let this cool. I thought I had it on, but I didn't. So I'm going to let that go ahead and warm up a little bit before I get started. These are the rhinestones that I'm going to be using. And I probably tried, this smaller cup here first and see how that works out. And then I'll move on from there. I have printed out my label that I'm going to put on my cup, and it says there is no such thing as too much glitter and coffee. And I got this design from Creative Fabrica, and I want to put that on. I'm going to see how it fits on this one, but yeah, because this one looks all scratched up, so I'm going to do this one. So first thing, as I said, I drilled my hole in here, and I'm going to just do this one to show you exactly how I did that. And what I'm going to do is I'm using a, what is this? I think it's a 9mm. A 9mm head that comes in with your package. This is the Rhinestone hotfix little gadget, and it comes in a bag like this from Amazon, and you have an envelope such as this with the different tools in it that you're going to need for different sizes of rhinestones to hotfix them onto clothes and hands, whatever you want to. But today we're going to use it to get this hole in here. And I want to use some alcohol, and actually I did wash it, but I didn't use any alcohol to actually clean this. But I'm going to put it right here, and I'm just going to hold it down. I'm not pressing that much, because you want it to only go through the top layer of this cup and not the second. So as soon as it melts through, I give mine a little squeeze like this to make sure it gets the curves around the circle. And there we go. It did drop. And then I'm going to take my tweezers and try to lift that up. I'm going to go back in here, guys, because this didn't harden up on me, so bear with me. Let me push this down some and go in here, kind of like try to clean it up. Yeah, well, you may have to do a little maneuvering with it to make sure it actually go all the way through, and to clean up your edges. Okay, here we go. I got that out. It dropped. Sorry, y'all. See that? It came out. Here is the hole. And I'm just going to go around it. See if I can clean it up a little bit. And there we go. Your hole may be a little raggedy, but you can maneuver this around and try to clean it up as best as you can, so you can get the little raglet edges that happens when it breaks through. You just be careful not to go back down inside the hole and break the second wall. So I'm going to lay that there, and I want to put my label right here. Okay, basically what I did was I put a split here, 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 there, and there. I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to line it up with this line here, and I'm going to put it right here. So it lines up perfectly, and I'm going to just press down on it a little bit. Use my squeegee. And this was actually Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby's label, permanent label. And you can actually get the brand that cuts similar to the Smart Vinyl, where you don't need a board to put in your Cricut, to put it in your Cricut. So it's coming off pretty good, y'all. Besides these little snips that I put in here. Let's see. This is some tough, and this actually Paper Studios tape as well. And there we go. So I'm going to take a little bit of alcohol. I'm going to use what I had before and just try to clean up some of that gook that's on top of here. Okay, gang, I found these little glass ones, and they actually silver on one side. Let me pull you in. They actually are silver on one side, and they're glass on the other. So however it goes in here, I think it's going to look okay. And I'm going to try these pink ones as well. So let's get to pouring. Of course, I'm tilting this so that they can fall right on in there. Most of them anyways. This has a flat back on it. So okay, this is the final result of how this is looking here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all, if you haven't seen it, my little vacuum cleaner. This is a little ladybug that came off of Amazon. You have your turn on button here, and it runs by batteries, and you push it down here to put it apart, and then you have your little vacuum filter there, And you have your little fan there. And let's see. This piece has a little notch right there. And you connect it there. And then you push it down. And this is, I think, yeah, you turn it. So you turn this. And here's your two AA batteries. So you put her back on. And you turn her that way to lock. So I'm going to show you how this helps you in cleaning up your mess. As you can hear, it's on. See how it's picking up all of them things? Quick and easy way to clean up. And you got to make sure that you dump it in everything so it can continue to pick up. Just turn it. So I'm just going to cut out a little piece of regular Scotch tape. Just enough to go over that hole. And I'm going to put it on top of here. I'm going to do another piece because I can't really see if that went on there the way that I wanted to. And just take it the other way. And I'm going to use this UV resin that I had purchased from Amazon a while back. I don't even know if they have this. And I'm just going to fill this portion right here in the middle where I have the hole. I can't find my little brush, so I'm going to use this spatula to try to get it filled up in there. Put a little bit more, just a little bit. And it looks like it's in there. I'm going to use my heat gun. It's just, I don't see any bubbles, but I'm just going to use it for the sake of if there is. I'm running over there a little bit. And now I'm going to use this little UV light. I don't know if this is 30 or 60 minutes, but I'm going to use this and set it over there. I'm going to hit it twice. So everything is dry. Here it is. Let me let you see. Turn the light a little bit over here. As you can see, it's sealed. It's not sticky. I don't think I need another coat. And look, they don't come out. So, this concludes this video today. And this screws on here like so. I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, thank you for stopping by and watching me rhinestone this tumbler and it's acrylic. And you have a marvelous day. Until the next time, you guys have a great, marvelous day. And see you on the next video. Bye.